cleaning, pressure washing. Some 5 furrows now, we're putting the 6 furrow on. This will clean down to 6 furrows clean. Here we are, the plough's been pressure washed clean. The moldboards are all rusty, but that's because it's been outside in the rain and that, but it's definitely cleaned down now.
Come straight now. Bit more. I won't, got to move up a bit. That's okay. I've got to move it across now. Yeah, down. A bit more. A little bit more. One more, right? Up just a little bit. A bit more. Right, that's it. If I screw the nut on, if I can remember where I put it. Yeah, if you lift it up now.
Sometimes you use this because you forget you've got this, which is 10 times quicker than you do. We've had another 17 mil, which is about not quite far, 3/4 inch of rain. This pipe is running about 1/2 again. This is a 1-foot pipe from about 2 or 3 weeks ago, one of my videos. It's running pretty hard and the water's pouring down here again. This is a Thursday morning, Thursday the 13th or the 14th of January 2021. So this is the field here. The drains are coming down here, but there's so much water it's collected in this low point, coming down here through these trees, and it's then running down here, find the lowest point into the ditch. Morning guys, it's Saturday the 16th of January. Just cleaning up the pigs, but it's a bit different today. It's snowing. I love the snow. It's about freezing, I'd say. I think so far we've had about an inch, maybe a little bit more. We'll see what happens because we're responsible for clearing snow in certain areas, so we'll just see what happens. There's normally when it's over 2 inches, but if it is, you'll be coming along with me, so in my load or whatever it is I use. So.